that we're tracking as far as the Hooch tragedy is concerned. The death toll has risen to 49. What we're also picking up is that around 115 people still getting treated in hospitals in Kalakurchi, Viluppuram, Puducherry and Salem. But let's also tell you that the CBCID investigation has begun. Varshini, my colleague who has been tracking this for us, joins me on the broadcast. Varshini, good morning. Things are not looking great as far as the entire situation is concerned. It's also concerning to see that the death toll has risen. What is the latest that we're picking up?
Absolutely, yes. It's a very worrisome situation that is currently existing in the Kalakurchi district. In fact, the death toll has risen up to 49 right now, and around 115 people are still getting treated in the hospitals, in different hospitals, not just Kalakurchi. There are around 60 plus people in Kalakurchi hospital alone, and there are 16 people in Puducherry Jibmar, and there are few others in Salem Government Medical College Hospital and Viluppuram Government Hospital as well. And apart from this, the district collector has said that almost 30 people are in very critical condition, and it's very, in a risky situation that the treatment is going, and the death toll, this looks like the death toll might even now rise up even after 49. So it is definitely a very sad, situation that is prevailing in Kalakurchi district. But apart from this, in the investigation side, if you see, the police who have arrested the three people, the main accused, Kannukutti, his wife and his brother, have been produced before the district magistrate. So they will be taken under custody, and the CBCID investigation has begun. Yesterday in the evening, the CBCID started their investigation after the case was completely handed over to them. And they will be visiting all the places today, and they will be conducting an investigation on this. And apart from this, we also are given to understand that around more than 10 people are actually being in custody of the police. So they could also get arrested eventually. And like we were discussing from yesterday, the kingpin, because these three people who have been arrested are just the peddlers. So if the kingpin is being brought into picture or not, if the main person is being cracked and, is being arrested or not, is something that we'll have to wait and watch. But otherwise, this is the situation in the hospital, and this is the situation of the investigation as well.
Right, Varshini. Thank you very much for getting us the latest as far as this is concerned. But for